So the question is identify the major products P, Q and R in the following sequence of reactions. So this is the reaction which is given. Here benzene is reacted with CH3, CH2, CH2, Cl which is the alkyl halide in the presence of AlCl3 anhydrous AlCl3. So as we know, this reaction is Friedel-Crafts anhydrous reaction. So here a carbocation is formed. As we can see here, a carbocation is formed, and this carbocation on rearranging, it will become like this, which is, and the formula for this is CH2, CH3, CH2, CH3. So this will be formed, and in the question, this is benzene is reacted with this carbocation. So on reaction, it will form this compound, which is benzene, uh, this, and this carbocation will be attached here. This CH, CH3 whole twice. So this is our compound P. So from the options, we can see that option 2 and option 3 forms this compound. So later this compound, it is reacted with the oxygen in the presence of oxygen and heat. So this will form here it is known, uh, it will form this, which is phenol. So the correct position for this is, according to the question, it will form like this. It will form like this, and CH3, CO and CH3. So this phenol is formed. So according to the question, uh, this is the products we have received, and in this followed reaction. So option 2 will be the answer.